Page 74, Allegro. That title happens to be the speed of the piece, and that a lot of pieces are titled by their speeds. They just, because they don't have a title. They want a title. I'll just use the speed as the title. It's close enough. Okay. So I look it over. It's a page long. Treble, bass, clef, 3/4 time signature now. I see dotted half notes and quarter notes. Half notes. We can deal with all that, I guess. There's no eighth notes, but the hands are playing at the same time now, so I'm going to take this one hand at a time. The right hand first. It starts with third finger on B here. That puts the hand here. So that is our G position again. And it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember that dotted half note. It's the same as 3 quarter notes. Always. So here it gets 3 counts because the quarter note gets a count. So I'm going to go through and make sure I got the right hand okay. You're not moving around, you're just doing the here. Then the left hand. We're starting out with a G and a D here. And that's tied, so you're going to hold that down for 6 counts. And then the next one is a C and a D. And they can't put them directly above or below. They have to cockeye them just a little bit off because there isn't room to put them there. So, but they come on the same beat, so you play them at the same time. And they're sharing a stem. That's tied. You hold that down for 6 counts, and then it measure 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You get the idea? So that's the left hand. And the left hand's not moving either. It's right there in G position. So now I try the hands together, and I might hesitate. That's okay. I just want to know how the fingers are working together. We're here. These 3 notes. Here. These 2 and this one all together. 2. Now the left hand's tied, so I'll just hold it down. Measure 3, it's here, here. Measure 5, 1, 2, and then here, and here. So I put the hands together, and then I'll go back over it maybe a line at a time or so and get rid of any hesitations. You can go as slow as you need to. Speed is not important right now. It's no hesitations. Then I add the articulation. Here it's very connected. You have these long curved lines here. It's like the first 2 lines is one phrase. You're going to connect the first 2 lines, and then the last 2 lines is one phrase. So you're going to connect it. So at the end of the second line here, before I go to the next line, I'm going to lift up, like taking a breath. And then I'm going to connect it again. Okay. The left hand, I'm going to connect it as best I can. You can't connect these. If I could, I would, but you can't connect them. So going from the second measure to the third measure here, I got to lift up here, but I'm connecting that. Now at the end of the second line here, you're lifting up here. You can go ahead and lift on the left hand if you want to. Here, if you want to, it's fine. So I put in the articulation, and the left hand, like in the last line here, connect all that. It's not slurred or nothing, but just connect it anyway. You see, technically, when they don't put in anything in that last line for the left hand, there's no indication at all. You can do anything you want. I could disconnect if I wanted to. But typically in today's music, we would connect it when it doesn't say anything. But you're welcome to try different things out and see. Not a lot to try. Either you connect it or you don't. Now once I do the articulation, I add the dynamics. MF is for the first 2 lines and MP for the last 2 lines. Whatever you think moderately loud is, and that's the melody, which is the right hand. Not loud, just sort of loud. And then in the measure 9, you come down a little bit to sort of soft. The left hand needs to stay out of the way. Stay in the background, because this is sort of heavy. This is light. At the same time, again, sort of heavy, light. At the same time, keep trying. It comes eventually. Because in measure 9, now I'm sort of light here, but this has got to be way in the background. We want to hear the melody. Don't play them the same. Yuck. Oh. And then finally, the speed. Well, it's Allegro. Allegro is quick. There are faster indications than this. To me, Allegro is a run, a gentle run. You know, it's not a jog. It's a faster run than that. But they give you a metronome marking. That's just an indication. You have to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, somewhere in there. Needs to be accurate. What can you do accurate? That's my Allegro for now. We'll give me a cup of coffee or two, and it might change. How do you feel it? Remember the natural accent. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Feel the natural accents as you're going through this. I tend to exaggerate it so you can hear them better, but you just want to feel them. Now, after you can play this at least slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I'm going to play both hands about the same. I'll give us 3 counts. We're just checking notes and rhythms. That's all this is for. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2, 3, tie, 2, 3, off.